Ubekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina namhlanje eMamelodi ePitoli. Owabe engumethuli wohlelo iJam la kuSABC 1. uVmash ushone kulelisonto.
Bekungumunye wodwa umndeni wakhe ubukhumbula izinsuku ezimnandi wazichitha noVinoli. Kepha imisebenzi yakhe yohlala ikhunjulwa njalo nje. uVinoli waduma ngabo 1990 emva kokuthi engene ku-television ngabo 1980.
We've spent time together, we shared our memories together. We clearly tips on what to do and the career that I'm about to take on.
Sure.
The advice and everything.
Sure.
And I promise to hold on and to carry on with the legacy.
Umdlandla ayenawo wamakhela udumo kwezikaqedisa isizungu.
Television was not commissioned. SABC had their own shows that they tell you this is what the show is going to be, this is how it's going to be playing music, local music, international music, but Vinola would improvise. The producers of the shows would come up with scripts, but Vinola would come with her own script.
I never saw such a talent. We've done so many things, we've discovered a lot of talent with V. And it was refreshing working with Vinolia, and I mean she'll be sorely missed, and I'll forever missing her. I'm what I am today, and I was very young, straight from school, when I got the opportunity to work with her.
Sengathi ngaphumula ngoxolo, sohlala sikukhumbula njalo uVmash.